Oh, yes!
Welcome to Diskitari, the biggest coach bound for the biggest team in South Africa, guys. Nasreddin Nabi on the verge of separating with Kaizer Chiefs. Before I reveal those news, please stick around. Remember to like and subscribe, guys. In Bonili Zolo is Kukune Shaya Kaizer Chiefs. Bradley Grobler making comments with Kaizer Chiefs. He always wants to score against them. This is why, in his own words.
2 goals and an assist. I mean, that's absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, look, sometimes it's not scoring against teams that told you that 4, 5, 6 years ago you were old and past your prime. So it feels good to be scoring against these teams. So yeah, but I'm also just happy for the team. You know, I think tonight was a big performance, and a performance that's probably going to make people take us a bit more seriously. But we don't want to put that pressure on ourselves. Obviously, we want to go and win every game, and we'd love to fight for the league. And you know, I think tonight's a big stepping stone, and it's a long way to go. But we just got to go out and keep doing what we did.
Yeah, that was Bradley Grobler. Uyasho ukuthi ubani Khehla. So yeah, guys, remember, nobody class is permanent, form is temporal. Bradley Grobler proving to Kaizer Chiefs qho and qho ukuthi yena ubani. We didn't know ukuthi he had the opportunity ukuthi adlalele Kaizer Chiefs. Remember, Bradley Grobler, the son of Les Grobler, wathola i-opportunity ukuthi bamsayine, and then i-Kaizer Chiefs under i-management yaka-Bobby Motaung, he was rejected. So yeah, bafethu, drop your thoughts on comments. Nimzwile uBradley Grobler uthini, but however, the breaking news is that Nasreddin Nabi is currently negotiating his exit from Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs ayifuni ukuthi kube ngathi into ephahlakile. Earthquake ishayile laphayana eNaturena. They are outdoing Mkhwanazi, being outdone by Kaizer Chiefs, on the verge of sacking Unabi. But we are using the word sack, but Kaizer Chiefs are trying to mutually agree with Nasreddin Nabi ukuthi ayekele laphayana Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, guys, those are the news. I couldn't believe it myself, but that is the breaking news as from today, following his Kukune United's win, 3-1 win over Kaizer Chiefs. Nasreddin Nabi bekumele axoshwe last season. You'll remember, those of you who are following the show, ukuthi Nasreddin Nabi, he was on the verge yokuxoshwa. However, he bought himself time ukuthi awine i-Nedbank Cup. So yeah, guys, Nasreddin Nabi, I thought he was doing well. Yeah, but you know, Kaizer Chiefs, yeah, winner Nedbank Cup. Unabi, he went to go attend to his wife, and I did break the news ukuthi Nasreddin Nabi is negotiating with a certain team laphayana Egypt. So I think Kaizer Chiefs, find out what is Nasreddin Nabi up to. It's not just about Nasreddin Nabi alone. Kaizer Chiefs do have a network of information across Africa. Nasreddin Nabi negotiating with a certain team laphayana Africa, and then Kaizer Chiefs did find out about it. His assistant coaches Ukaze no Ben Youssef, they did well in his absence, winning 4 games in a row. Nabi coming back for that 1-0 win over Golden Arrows. Bafethu, it's the football politics. This is not football. This is football politics. Remember to like and subscribe. It is Ski99. I do have big news. Kaizer Chiefs bavumelana kudala noPitso Mosimane ukuthi one day he will take over Kaizer Chiefs. Pitso Mosimane, he did bavumelana no-Kaizer Motaung ukuthi one day he will coach Kaizer Chiefs. That was while uPitso asase ku-Al Ahly. Remember, uPitso Mosimane washaya Kaizer Chiefs asaselaphayana ku-Al Ahly ku-Champions League final. You'll remember, Kaizer Chiefs yanikeza uPitso Mosimane when he came with Al Ahly mabala South Africa. They gave him the resources to train laphayana eNaturena while he was head coach of Al Ahly. So yeah, guys, those news are not far-fetched. News reaching my desk is that Pitso Mosimane could very well be the next Kaizer Chiefs coach. Those things are under the carpet. They respectfully are trying to mutually part ways, Kaizer Chiefs, no Pitso Mosimane. So yeah, guys, drop your thoughts on comments. Those are the news reaching my desk. To Pitso Mosimane. Pitso Mosimane, guys, he has links. Laphayana ephefeni Pitso Mosimane ukhule looking up to Kaizer Motaung. And yeah, it's I think maybe it's his fate ukuthi uzocoacha i-Kaizer Chiefs. Pitso Mosimane, as we speak, they are negotiating ukuthi after it's official, they are trying to keep it respectful. It's still under the carpet, but yeah, news insiders bangitshela ukuthi uPitso Mosimane is going to take over uNasreddine Nabi. So yeah, Kuboscope, the game against Kuboscope, we will see whether Nabi is coaching that, because uNabi bekalaphayana Angola, yeah, scouting the opponent in Kuboscope. His mandate was to win the CAF Confederations Cup, but I don't think he's going to get the opportunity ukuthi ahambe ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs are going to go with Ben Yosef Nokaze. They will see ukuthi both those co-coaches bababeka kuphi, but Pitso Mosimane uyagijima laphayana ku-touchline, is warming up to coach i-Kaizer Chiefs. I think that's his destination. That is the instructions coming from Omadala Kaizer Motaung, telling Kaizer Junior to negotiate with Nasreddine Nabi to move out of Naturena. I think laphayana mabadla idina or mabashaya isapha, the information ayitholile uKaizer Junior was that uNabi, he is negotiating with some other teams to take over. So yeah, Nasreddine Nabi did admit when the rumors broke out which he's gonna get sacked, and then he said that he has a couple of offers, including that offer from the Tunisian FA. I think Nasreddine Nabi is going to take over the Tunisian national team. That is just my thinking. I'm not sure about that. That is not a fact. That is what I am saying, because based on what was reported last season, remember Nasreddine Nabi admitting ukuthi uthole ama-offers, he's getting calls every day because of the rumors ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs yamxosha. So nawo-ke indaba-ke, guys, Nasreddine Nabi wagulelwa umfazi, he went home and then yeah, that was not all he wrote. He was negotiating with a couple of teams, including the Tunisian FA. Temagabuya laphayana, unfortunately, bamdlile izolo, yamshaya isikhukhune. Yeah, and then I think Ukaze, he was doing well. The fans were saying Kaze and Ben Yosef are doing well. And then yeah, unfortunately, we did not expect Uti after just one loss, Nasreddine Nabi will get sacked. And then he is on the verge of a mutual agreement of separation. Yaqhuma divorce, guys, laphayana eNaturena. Earthquake, hayi Mkhwanazi, indaba zakho mfana, besamamela uMkhwanazi sibheke ukuthi nayo qhumisa indaba. Uthe uMkhwanazi makaqhumisa indaba, Kaizer Junior and Kaizer Senior were discussing indaba yaNasreddine Nabi. Nasreddine Nabi separating with Kaizer Chiefs, on the verge. Expect within the next 2 weeks ukuthi agreement yakhe ukuthi bahlukana kanjani no Nasreddine Nabi. Kaizer Chiefs trying to be professional, as they are a professional team. They're trying to keep it respectful. Ben Yosef and Patrick Kaze will be taking over the games, while Nasreddine Nabi, ningamangali ningamboni uNabi laphayana ebenchini. That is because of the mutual agreement being negotiated in the Kaizer Chiefs. Still negotiation phase. However, there is no smoke without fire. Guys, come to the end of the show. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks. Bye-bye.